This brings us to the end of our formal presentations for the workshop. Before we go away, I would like to have you guys recognize UPC and the Barcelona Supercomputing Center for hosting us. The venue's been fantastic, and it's Barcelona, so it's hard to beat. So thank you very much to those guys. And of course, our sponsors that help defray the costs of putting on these events. That's fantastic. And in particular, there's two individuals from the Barcelona Supercomputing Center. Eduardo, are you in here? I think you are. Stand up, sir. And Lourdes, where is Lourdes here? Well, you're going to need to give her a big hug for us. But thank you, Eduardo and Lourdes. Those two were tireless in helping us organize the event together with our Informa team, and I know you've had plenty of interaction with Rebecca and Laurie. They're fantastic to work with. The technical program we take very seriously, and appreciate any feedback that you can give us, but we try to make sure that we curate good content, relevant content that is interesting, compelling, and hopefully thought-provoking to share with everyone. And Roger Espanza from Esperanto, and Yunsep was the vice chair, Yunsep Lee from Sci-Fi. So Roger, I know, is here. Is Yunsep in the room? Is outside? Well, Yunsep outside, take a bow. And Roger, stand up and take a bow, please. Good job. Good job. So certainly if you enjoyed the technical program, tell Roger. More importantly, if you didn't enjoy the technical program, tell Roger. All right, so with that, I continue to be amazed by the content that we get to see and share and enjoy at these events. It's clear that RISC-V and the momentum globally and the number of not only large organizations but individuals that participate, we're truly unleashing a new innovation frontier, allowing work at this level in the ISA space that has really not been accessible as broadly as it is now, and it's inspiring and invigorating to see how much is going on in the ecosystem. So we've got a number of events coming up throughout the year. Stay tuned to the RISC-V website and the social media channels and so on for more updates. And thank you all for your participation, and we'll see the members here tomorrow. Have safe travels home for those of you that are leaving. Thank you.